Now that you've set up your website, your platform, your ecosystem apps, you check your data catalog that the data is coming in, then it's time now to set up business settings. So you'll find them in settings. You'll have the personal settings where you can change your name and email and language and passwords and so forth. The most important thing basically are the business settings, where you can change the name of your setup, time zone. You'll set the general currency in which you are working yourself. Again, if you're in Sweden, that could be the Swedish krone. You're in the United States, that would be dollars and so forth. We have a whole bunch of them. Next is smart signals. Our machine learning is looking, as I will explain later when we come to the video of signals, how much of history smart signals are looking at to learn, basically. And we set it as a default to 90 days. Next, you're going to set on account level which property that you've now collecting through your connections is supposed to represent monthly recurrent revenue. Which one is the currency? So if you are having your base currency in dollars, but you have customers in Europe and in Great Britain that respectively you bill in euros and in British pounds, then you need to have a local currency field. And typically, if you've connected Stripe, that would be your subscription MRR, your customer currency. Which property would you like to use as a domain? And we actually grab that domain to, for example, show you proper logos of your customers. Next, you will see you will be asked to set the renewal date. So typically in Stripe, you have your subscription current period end. We take this as a renewal date. Then, which properties are most important? Which do you want to see in your overview? Which key metrics, key events do you want to see in your overview? And the same is being asked for users. Last is the logo, which we'll use in emails and in other features where personalization is wished for. Last but not least, we have a danger zone. If you are doing a trial setup and you've been playing with users and accounts and basically you want to delete them all, here's the one button that will do that. Or if you consider to churn, you can actually churn your business, wipe out all the information by pressing delete business. This concludes our business setup.